Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. Today we will discuss two topics. One, the use of CountA function, and second one, the drawback of count function. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Here I created a sample data. I created a two column of sample data. First I will apply the count function and then I will apply the CountA function. Let's start the formula is equal to COUN. On top of it, there is a count function. Press tab and then select the range. Click on this cell and drag the cell till end. So it will select the range. Then press close bracket. And if I press enter, so it's giving me the count. It is showing there are the 4 cells which contain value. Whereas actual there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 cells which contain value. If I copy this formula here, so again it's showing me the 4 cells which contain value, but these cells are total in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So now I apply the CountA function and then I tell you the reason. What's the reason behind it? Is equal to COUNT. So if I select the second one, press tab. Now I press range, close bracket, and press enter. Now this formula is showing me the count as a 7. So if I drag this formula here, again it's giving me the count. The count is 7. So what happens when count function works? So it looks into the range. It only counts the cells which contain numeric value 1, 2, 3, 4. In this column there are 4 cells which contain numeric value, whereas 1, 2 and 3 cells, they contain alphabet value. So the count function only works on numerical value. It only counts the cells which contain numerical values, whereas CountA function, it counts the numerical and the alphabet value as well. So CountA function is a more advanced form of count function, so because it counts both of it, the numerical value and the alphabet value as well. So count function has a drawback that it doesn't count the cell which contain alphabet, whereas CountA function count both the numerical and the alphabet cells as well. So this is the difference between these two formulas. I wrote down the formula. The CountA, start of bracket, cell range, and the close bracket is the same formula as the count function, but the difference is it counts the cell which contain alphabet as well. So I hope you like this video. Like and share with your friends. Make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I see you guys in next video.